Let me show you something. I utilize Repurpose.io to do all of my repurposing, like taking my videos from TikTok, posting them onto Instagram, to YouTube Shorts. As you know, all these platforms want video from us. Now, I don't know about you, but I can only do but so much. Your girl got 6 kids and it's only so much I can do. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do what I'm doing. Like being on all these different platforms they want you to be on by creating one video, but spreading it all over the place, right? We're going to share the love all over. Here is Repurpose.io. I'm going to show you Joss Speaks Digital style.
Run it up with their info. Joss Speaks on that digital recording and clocking.
You guys know I dance every time and I show you guys something cool. I have to dance. Okay. I'm done. Now that we are inside of we're going to the Repurpose.io site. Click on log in and here we go. All right, so now I am logged into my dashboard. As you can see, I have several Repurpose.io workflows going on. But the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect your connections. Now, once you click on, because I can't talk, your connections, you're going to go ahead and click on add new connection. It's going to ask you which connection, and if I say collection through this, it's okay. Just know my tongue gets tongue-tied every now and again. It happens, you know. So we're going to select TikTok because that is what I usually do. I usually start with TikTok and then I distribute from there because it's just easier for me to create on TikTok. Okay. Now this platform, you cannot record inside of the platform in itself. What you do is record on the platform directly, and then that'll shift it out and send it all to these other places, right? So we need to select this so that the Repurpose.io system knows where to pull the content from, what source to pull the content from. So we're going to go ahead. Now you can do a Zoom link, you can do LinkedIn, you can start wherever you want. I choose to start on TikTok, as I said before, because it's easier for me. It's the easiest. So what you're going to do is name the connection. So I'm going to do TikTok example. Just because I want to show you guys an example. I already have everything set up, but I want to show you guys how to do it. We're going to do a direct publish. You have either upload only or direct publish. Now I'm going to do direct publish because those are the videos that I want to have connected. Anything that I publish on TikTok is going to automatically go here. So you can log in with your QR code or your phone. I'm going to go ahead and do my QR code because I'm going to be lazy bones today. I'm going to go ahead and scan that with my phone. That's success, as you can see. So then it'll say, do you authorize them to use it? Absolutely, because y'all need to get the content because I don't want to do it, so I need you to do it, right? This is like hiring your own little mini VA for your account. I used to have several different VAs that I had work for me that would do this for me because I was like, yeah, this is too much. I cannot spend my time sitting here and going through each one of these videos and then sending them to all these different platforms. But then Repurpose.io came out and I was like, oh, okay, good, got it. I'll just use that. So now that you have your source active, you're going to go ahead and add another connection. The next connection you're going to add is either your Instagram or your YouTube channel, depending on where you want these videos to go from TikTok. For me, I want my videos to go to, let's do YouTube just because it's a lot easier. Go ahead and click on standard. Yes. We're going to click on connect. It's going to ask us to go ahead and log in. Now we have our sources here, right? Where we want our data to be pulled from and going to. We're going to go over here to workflows. Now inside of workflows, you're going to create your workflow, and this is how the two platforms actually speak to one another. So we're going to click on create a new workflow, and we're going to title this workflow. What I usually do is I do like TikTok to, see, as you can see here, TikTok to audio only, TikTok to Google, TikTok to LinkedIn, wherever I'm sending my TikTok content in. So we're going to do TikTok to YouTube, and we're going to just put example because I'm just using this to show you guys. Click on next. We're going to choose the source. So the source, once again, is going to be TikTok, and we're going to pick the correct TikTok account, right? That's why I label it this, because I have about 3 to 4 different TikToks. So you want to make sure that you're labeling each TikTok with its actual name so you know which source you want to pull from. Now we have our next. We want to upload the full video. Absolutely. And then where do we want it to go? Now we want it to go to YouTube. So we're going to select YouTube. We don't have a playlist. Now, if you want to create playlists, you absolutely can. You can just go here. You can select, as you can see, it pulls in all of your data. So these are all the different playlists that I have on my YouTube channel. Good Lord, I need to clean these up, but they're all here. So I would select one if I wanted to. In this case, I don't necessarily want to. I just want to make sure, girl, look at here, machine. Okay, all I need you to do is to make sure that my videos are going from TikTok over onto them good old good YouTube shorts. Okay, can you make sure that happens? Okay, cool. So that's all I care about. They don't necessarily need to go to any particular playlist. So we're going to click on done here. And then it'll go ahead. And now it's all set up. Now I have it here. If I want to manually do this, if I just want TikTok or I want Repurpose.io to pull in the content, and then I'm going to manually go in here and view the content and send it over, you have that option. I can go in here and manually just go in here and go, okay, you know what? I want to publish this one. I want to publish this one. And that's actually what I do with my LinkedIn. I do not send all of my TikTok content to LinkedIn. I only send certain things to LinkedIn because it's a different platform. You know, it's a different vibe over there. So I make sure that I only send certain types of content to LinkedIn. Now, this will remove the watermark. That is what's amazing about Repurpose.io is that you get the watermark removed instantly. They will do that for you. So we're going to hit the back button here because I actually want this to auto, right? So if I click on auto, it will auto publish all of my TikToks to my YouTube channel for me, and I don't have to go in here and do anything. Now, obviously, I'm not going to select that because I already have one of these workflows set up. I don't want to have several of them. And that is literally how you set up your workflow. From there, you would just go in, create a new workflow, and then set up your TikTok to go to Google Drive, which I highly recommend. I have all of my videos go from TikTok to my Google Drive. It removes the watermark. Whenever I want to use any of those videos, I have the watermark removed. I can go in and place them on my personal profile on Facebook because I don't have they don't allow you to automatically post onto your personal profile yet on Facebook. They used to do it. They don't do it anymore. So I go in, I put up a couple of things here and there on my personal Facebook account, and then we move from there. So as you can see, I have several of these set up for different accounts and different management. I don't think that there is an approximate. No, I think there is a limit on different plans. Here, there's also a calendar as well that will show you the videos that you sent out. So as you can see, these are all the different videos that I've sent out in June. I also have templates inside of Repurpose.io. I do not use this, so I'm not going to teach you guys how to use it because I don't use it. So we're going to skip right over that one. If you want to know how to use this, you might want to find somebody else on YouTube because I don't use that. So what I currently have is the $25 a month plan, right? You can repurpose videos from all these different places and your audios, and you can connect up to 5 connections. So that's what I have currently. If you want the agency model, it looks like you can connect up to 20 different connections. And you can manage, if you manage a ton of accounts, this is a really great option for you. I ain't giving nobody no $125 a month right now. It ain't happening. I'll stick with the $25. And it is well worth it to have your own miniature automated AI assistant to help you get these videos out. It's well worth the $25 per month, believe me. Okay, so you have these different options, either 25 or 125 a month. I go with the 25. I have 5 different connections. Seems to work for me. If you love this tutorial and you thought it was helpful and useful to you, make sure that you go ahead and like this video. So go in there, create as many different workflows as you want, up to 5 connections, obviously with the $25 plan, and show out. If you love this video, if this video was helpful to you, make sure that you go ahead and like this video and let me know down in the comment section. Are you going to be utilizing Repurpose.io to send all of your videos out to multiple places and spaces?